In previous video, we summarized sales by weekday using Excel function. And today we would like to use Power Query for this. So I just select one cell in my table, then go to Data tab and choose from Table Range command. And we'll import data from Excel to Power Query. And I would like to change date and time to just date, because in situation when we're importing dates to Power Query from Excel, Power Query always adds time, but we don't always have time. In this situation we don't have time, we don't need time, so we just need dates. And now I can go to add column and extract from date, day of week, and the numbers that Power Query give us here depends on original settings, current file original settings. So we can go to menu file, or in Polish I have click, and then options and settings, query options, and we can go to original settings for current workbook, and I now have English United States. Okay, so I can close it. So that's why for Monday I have 1, but for Sunday I have 0, because date day of week function that Power Query use returns only numbers from 0 to 6, and we can change the starting day only. We will always have numbers from 0 to 6, but I can write, for example, day.Monday. Monday. So instead of the number, thanks to that, my week will start in Monday. So now Mondays will have 0 and Sundays will get 6. Okay, but because of that, this numbering isn't the best option for me. I will prefer to use text. So once again, date column, add column, tab, date, day, and this time name of a day. And here it's clear: Mondays, Tuesdays, and Saturdays and Sundays, all weekdays. And when we have proper days names, weekdays names, we can group our data. So we can go to Home tab, select day name column, and here group by command. And we need 2 operations, so we need to choose advanced options. We'll be grouping by day name column, and we want count rows, 1 operation, and sum, the 2nd operation, and we will sum by cells column. So we can count, name our columns count and sum, and we can now press OK. And just like that, we summarize our sales by weekday name. And we can just go to Home tab, close and load 2, and let's put them under our previous calculations. So table, existing worksheet, and F10 cell. OK, and just like that we should have exactly the same results. Just some formatting we can add, and we have the same values.